Chili Pepper Calamari. Ingredients: 2 pounds fresh small to medium-sized squid, up to 5 inches, cleaned. 1 cup buttermilk. 2 jalapenos sliced thinly, optional. Breading mixture. 3/4 cup cornstarch. 3/4 cup flour. ½ cup cornmeal. 2 teaspoons salt. 1 teaspoon pepper. Sauce mixture. 4 tablespoons butter. 4 to 6 cloves garlic, minced, due to your taste, we love garlic. 1 cup sliced hot peppers and vinegar, drained. Oil for frying. Directions: slice squid into 1/4 inch rings. Place onto a rimmed baking sheet lined with paper towel and cover with additional paper towel. Place in fridge for 1 hour to dry. Preheat oil to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mix together the ingredients for the breading: cornstarch, flour, cornmeal, salt, and pepper, and set aside. Pour the buttermilk into a medium bowl. Place the butter into a large frying pan and melt over medium heat. Add the garlic, and simmer over medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. Don't let the garlic brown, you just want it to soften and flavor the butter. Add the pepper slices and cook for 2 minutes over medium-high. Turn down to low to keep warm. Add the dried squid rings and the jalapenos, if using, to the buttermilk. Make sure all the pieces are well coated. Working in batches, use a large slotted spoon or strainer to transfer half of the squid to the flour mixture, making sure to drain off as much buttermilk as possible first. Use your hands to gently toss the squid in the flour, ensuring every piece is covered and none are sticking together. Gently shake off the excess flour and carefully place into the hot oil. Fry until golden brown, usually around 50 seconds. Fry 1 or 2 pieces first, until you get the timing right. These cook very quickly, and if overcooked become extremely rubbery. Transfer the cooked calamari to a paper towel-lined cooling rack set over a rimmed baking sheet. Let the oil come back up to temperature, then repeat with remaining batches. When all the calamari has been fried, turn the butter and pepper mixture back up to high. Add the calamari and give it 2 quick tosses to lightly coat, no more than that. Then pour the mixture onto a plate to serve immediately.